Hey Tyler.
Hey Dr. Godes.
No periodic table today.
No, we can't sit at the periodic table for today's pre-class.
Welcome to the pre-class video on stoichiometry. Stoichiometry is from the Greek for what?
Stoichia, or something like that, which means elements, and metra, which means measure.
So it's about measuring elements. It's about amounts. Right? Stoichiometry is about figuring out if I have a certain amount of reactant, how much product am I going to make? Or it actually could be used if I have a certain amount of one reactant, how much of another reactant do I need to react with it? Right? So it's about comparing amounts of reactants and products. The most typical way that stoichiometry is used is if you're given the amount of reactant in grams. So I have 10 grams of sodium.
Sure.
And I want to know how much sodium hydroxide can I make? Sodium hydroxide being the product. Well, the process is going to be to take our starting amount in grams, convert it to moles, and we're going to use the molar mass to do that. Then we're going to take moles of reactant and convert it to moles of product. How are we going to do that?
Well, I think we'd have to use our molar ratios and the equations that we learned how to balance in post-class, the last one.
Right, so you're going to use the balanced equation to convert from reactants to products. So we better know how to balance equations. If you're still struggling with that, watch the post-class recap on it. And then we can convert from moles of product to grams of product using the molar mass. Okay, so make sure you know how to balance equations before you come to class, and good luck.